Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So, welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, living a simple life, and also minimalism. So, you don't need a weekend marathon to make your home feel lighter and bigger and brighter. Sometimes all it takes is a small shift to feel like you can breathe again. So, today I'm going to share 5 micro decluttering habits or moves. They're just tiny actions that can create instant space, visual calm, and a whole lot of mental freedom. So if you are short on time but big on wanting results quickly, and who isn't, then these tips might be just what you're looking for. So I hope you'll try them. So my first tip today is deal with that pile of papers that has been sitting on your dining room table or on your desktop for weeks. So the challenge there is, I totally get it. You're busy. You've got so many other irons in the fire, and magazines, flyers, coupons, junk mail keeps coming in the door every single week. And you keep promising yourself that you're going to get rid of it, but you keep putting it off. So let today be that day that you deal with it. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes to dispose, recycle, or file those papers. Likely it's going to take much less time than you even think, and you'll be so glad you did. No more visual clutter weighing you down and your home down. So then promise yourself in the future that you'll make time every single day to deal with that paperwork as soon as it comes in the door. So my second tip is bring those bags to the donation center. So we probably have all done this, some bags that are just sitting in your garage waiting to get to the donation center. So a few weeks ago, maybe you were on a roll, you decluttered your closet and you filled 2 bags for donation. And the problem is they're still there and they're cluttering your space. So if you try this, make time this week to drop off those bags of clothing to your favorite charity. Remind yourself that someone else might need the things that have been sitting in your closet or sitting in those bags. They'll not only appreciate the clothing, your home will feel much lighter and brighter, and so will you. And my next tip is remove one should keep item. So we all hang on to something just because we feel that we should. Could be a gift, a magazine article that we think that we're going to read, an expensive gadget that we never use. So if you try this, let go of that one thing that no longer reflects who you are today. Not 10, just one item. It's a tiny act that will open up your physical space and also your emotional space. And my fourth tip today is to remove one piece of visual clutter from your bedroom. So do you ever wonder why you can't just totally relax in your own bedroom? Too many items on your dresser or on your nightstand can create that visual noise or the visual clutter, making it difficult to create that quiet, restful space that you really want. So if you try this, remove one piece of visual clutter from your dresser or from your nightstand or both, and you'll be surprised at just how much calmer that area will feel with just that one micro decluttering move. Then if you want, completely clear the surface and then notice how much calmer and more spacious your room feels. And my last tip today is declutter just one thing you thought you were supposed to have. So chances are we've all been guilty of acquiring something that we were supposed to have at this stage of our lives. Those designer high heels that hurt your feet every time you wear them, or the fancy espresso machine that looks good, but you've never used it. So if you try this, maybe it's time to let it go. Sell it, donate it, whatever that thing is that's taking up space in your home or in your closet, and also definitely in your mind. So being true to yourself, who you really are, is very liberating, both physically and also emotionally. So that's it for this week. When your space feels tight, micro moves can create a major relief for you. These are 5 quick fixes. They're proof that you can feel lighter and more peaceful in your home. It is achievable, and it doesn't have to be a massive project. It can start with just a bold little shift in less than 5 minutes. And if you want more fast wins like this, check out my 15-minute burst method workbook. It's just $1.99 and it's filled with bite-sized decluttering plans that help you even on your busiest day. So if this video gives you some breathing room, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Keep helping us grow. We're growing like crazy now. And don't forget to share with someone else who you think might need a little quick fix and would like quick results. I'll see you next week.